This is our newly launched 600150 50 amp hour large cylindrical cell for this year. It features a full tab design and has the following characteristics. First, it's an ultra-large cylinder with a diameter of 60 millimeters and a height of 150 millimeters, making it the largest cylindrical cell currently on the market. The second feature is its maximum capacity, with a single cell capacity reaching 50 ampere hours. The third feature is that it is ultra-light.
Its energy density has reached 176 watt-hours per kilogram.
It is suitable for various applications such as mobile, portable devices, as well as two-wheeled and three-wheeled vehicles. The fourth feature is the equal height terminal design with welding on the same side. This makes the pack assembly process extremely convenient and very low in cost. The fifth feature is our dual color fine safety valve. The dual color fine pressing ensures the utmost safety in extreme abuse situations such as nail penetration, burning, and thermal runaway.